Mastering the word get opens up a world of expressions. When someone says get lost, they're playfully telling you to go away. If you hear get real, it's a nudge to face reality. Need motivation? Get busy means it's time to dive into work. And when the mood shifts, get serious reminds us to focus. Preparing for something? Get ready is your cue to gear up. If tensions rise, get out is a clear request to leave. Want to advance? Get ahead encourages progress. Returning to tasks? Get back is your reminder. Feeling vengeful? Get even suggests settling scores. As temperatures drop, get cold describes that chill in the air. To improve, get smart is all about enhancing your skills. When the day turns to night, get dark marks the sunset. Recovering from a setback? Get better is your goal. If you're pushing limits, get tough is about building resilience. And when things take a turn for the worse, get worse captures that decline. Embrace these phrases and you'll express yourself with confidence.